Here we are at the Lotus elevator of an antique furniture store. We're in an office building downtown Mount Washington. There's Ian. This elevator has two buttons.
Nobody
It has an up button and a down button. It also has a security card. That's a security card reader there.
Hey,
Wow.
Daddy.
And the sign.
No, Daddy.
I'd love to give you a tour of the elevator, but my son does not like to go into elevators.
Let's go upstairs.
Gonna go to the stairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can't go through that. That's not us. That's not stairs.
But where is the stairs?
I don't know.
Let's go.
Can I press a button on the elevator?
No.
We won't get down it. I just want to press a button.
No.
Nope, that's not it either, buddy.
What is that?
That is a store.
Daddy? Is this for it?
I don't know. I don't think so. No, that's not it either.
Huh.
I don't think the stairs are over here. Huh. Well, that's very unusual, isn't it?
No, Daddy. No.
Oh, here comes. Listen to this motor. Ian, come here, listen to the motor. This is an epic motor. Okay, now doors are gonna open. Ta-da! Bing! You wanna go up?
No, I don't want to go up.
One floor?
No.
Okay. Now the door's closed. There we go.
No.
It's okay.
Dad, I don't know if I want to find the stairs to go up into.
I don't know where they are.
Go up.
Well, hey, well, she came out this way. Let's look this way. Come here.
Okay. So go this way.
Right here. Ian. Nope. Don't go that way.